It is 6th season in our house, and I just pulled out our Canopy for the first time for my 5-month-old. So it still has the stickers on it. There are some really cool options on this. It's very touch sensitive. It's got an auto mode. It's also got first, second, and third mode. I filled up this water tank last night, and it lasted all night long, and I think I had it on level 2. There's an on and off button. There is a dim for a red light and then a white light, and then you can also dim it down by holding the button. And then there's also a power button for the reset the filter. This has been amazing. This is the water tank that you fill up and put it in, and it goes right here into this little hole. The plug-in feature is right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and unplug it so I can show you the filter. And here is the filter for it. It says to change it every 6 to 8 weeks. Here is the air blower. And this is dishwasher safe. This entire thing is dishwasher safe. So that makes it super easy to clean and to get it ready to use again.
I am very pleased with the white noise. It's compact, and in my daughter's room it feels like there's moisture. And the reason why I wanted to order this for her is because we live in high elevation and it can be quite dry here, so nosebleeds unfortunately can become a nuisance. So with this product I was able to bring humidity back into her room. I fill it up with distilled water. Here at the top there's the on-off button, and there's this little stone that you can apply essential oils. They do have a nice essential oils included in there as well. And so inside there is a paper filter that you could replace, because what it does is to catch any kind of debris in the air. And this is what it looks like now after 1 night of use. This is how much she has left.
I tell you to get one, we didn't, it's fine. Anyway, didn't really know what to expect. This thing is awesome. All 3 of us sleep in the same bedroom at night, not by choice because the baby won't have it any other way. We're all sleeping so much sounder, something I absolutely did not expect. I did expect the baby's like kind of dry nose stuff to clear up, which it did very quickly actually. So definitely happy about that. It's really nice. It has its own filtration system, so I don't have to worry about getting like the filtered water from downstairs and bringing it back up here. I just go straight into the bathroom, fill it with our Baltimore City, county tap water, whatever. And it does all the dirty work for me here. So honestly, thanks Canopy. We absolutely love this gift, and I'm gonna tag them so you guys can find one too.
Awesome. If you're looking to transform your home to a spa-like experience, then you need Canopy in your life. They focus on creating the ultimate beauty and wellness experience. The Bedside Humidifier is known to help breathe, hydrate, and radiate. Make sure you check out Canopy.